Come closer, my baby. I want you, sweetheart.
I'm tired. Just let me rest.
Didn't I pay your bride price?
Real men help their wives. A home is built by two people.
You don't even help yourself. Came back to this? You didn't even try to arrange anything?
Is it my job? Aren't you the woman here?
Come closer, my baby. I want you, sweetheart.
I'm tired. Just let me rest.
Didn't I pay your bride price?
Done. I can't carry this marriage alone.
You're leaving because of chores?
Not chores,
Oh my
disrespect.
God, I will miss her a lot. She is a good woman. Why did I allow her to live because of pride?
If you want to create this kind of video using one single tool, then this video is for you. So no need of running from one app to another just to create your video. If this is what you are interested in, watch this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's dive into it.
So the first thing to do is to have an idea of the kind of story you want to create. Like you can imagine a story, maybe something that happened around you or any type of story. You need to have an idea first. But if you didn't have any idea, you can just go to ChatGPT or DeepSync. But I always advise to have where you are going, like have it in mind that you want to create this type of story. Then you can just tell the story to ChatGPT anyhow using speech to text, and ChatGPT will give you the perfect prompt for it. So the first thing I did was to go to ChatGPT to generate my prompt. I used the speech to text icon to narrate to ChatGPT the type of story that I wanted to create, like how I want my story to be, where I'm heading to. So this is what you have to do first. As you can see on my dashboard, that this is the story, like this is exactly what I narrate to ChatGPT. Like I said, I want to create a story of a wife who has a lazy husband that believes that house chores is only meant for women. So this is the type of story that I wanted to create. So after that, I came to the end and said, I want you to give me a short clip that will flow very well, that I can use to narrate this story in 3D animation. I want each clip to be suspense and interesting. I want a short dialogue, imagine prompt and image prompt and prompt to video. I want a background music. So this is the exact text I gave to ChatGPT. I narrated to ChatGPT and ChatGPT gave me the exact prompt I needed. Like it gave me the dialogue, the image to video, like the speech, the text to image, then give me image to video. Please always make sure that you read it one after the other so that you can be able to remove the things you don't want and add the things that you wanted, so that the clips will flow very well. So the next thing to do is to generate your image. So we'll be using this particular prompt that ChatGPT gave to us to generate our image before turning it into videos. So here we'll be generating this first one, a 3D animated Nigerian living room in light distress. So this is the image we'll be generating first, and what the app we are going to be using today is Gemini. Gemini can do a lot of things. Like Gemini can generate your image and as well generate your video. And the best part is that Gemini will also give you the same face, the same, as long as you are using that particular space that you wrote that prompt. It can turn it to image, you can as well turn it to video. So we'll be heading over to Gemini now. After copying the prompt, then we head over to Gemini to generate our image before turning it into video. So on Gemini, we paste our prompt from CapCut, we paste it, and it generated this image. The image was so fine, so neat. Like these are all the images that we generated. Like every of this image was generated by Gemini. So it depends on what you tell Gemini to generate for you. So these are all the images that we generated from Gemini. So after generating my image, what I have to do next is to go back to ChatGPT to copy the image to video prompt. So when you copy it, you go back to Gemini and paste it. So if you are copying the image to video prompt, make sure that you copy along with the dialogue, so that once the image is generating, it will be saying what you wanted it to say. So this is the way I copied it and pasted it on Gemini, and it's generated this image, this video for me, and it is very, very perfect. Like, everything was good on it. So this is the way you need to be doing it. But the disadvantage of this thing, using Gemini to generate your video, is that it will only give you few images, like few video, because you are not subscribed to pro version. And I have taught you how to use Gemini Pro for free. Like, you can use it for 1 month for free without paying a single dime. They will be giving you 1,000 credits. So I will tag the video or put it in the description box on how you can access Gemini Pro for free. So you do this, you generate your image, your video. So this video will be generated maybe 3 or 4 or 5 times. So if you are not on the pro version, but if you're in the pro version, you can generate a lot. So when you generate 4 or 5 videos a day, the next day you can just continue from where you stop. So they used to give access to maybe 5 videos in a day. So this is the way you can do it if you are not subscribed to Gemini Pro.
Come closer, my baby. I want you,
VEO,
sweetheart.
I'm tired. Just let me rest.
Didn't I pay your bride price?
Real men help their wives. A home is built by 2 people.
You don't even help yourself.
So this is the perfect way you can create your AI video using one app without moving from one app to another. And the sweetest part of it is that you can use the website, or you can use the Gemini app. So Gemini app is very, very easy. So after doing all these things, you can then go to CapCut or InShot to merge all your videos together. It did some. And one thing I like also about this Gemini is that they will give you sound, like background sound of the music, so that you don't have to start putting it in the CapCut or InShot. So it will give you sound that will rhyme with the situation of the scene. So this is the perfect way you can do it. So if you are interested, if you like what you watch, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you on my next one. Bye.